The nature of earthquakes and the effects they have on the environment and people is a popular and important topic. There are many possible topics about earthquakes, and it is possible to select one based on your own interests. There are some suggested topics below. What are earthquakes and what are their causes? The impact of earthquakes on the ground and people. Modern methods of monitoring and predicting earthquakes. The impact of earthquakes on infrastructure and the economy. Comparison of natural earthquakes and artificial earthquakes caused by mining and oil. Rescue and relief work in cases of earthquakes. Analysis of the impact of earthquakes on the environment and biodiversity. What are earthquakes and what are their causes? Earthquakes are earthquakes resulting from movements in the Earth's interior, represented in the movement of rocks and Earth's crust in an abnormal way, and the strength of earthquakes ranges from weak tremors that people do not feel, to violent earthquakes that can cause the destruction of buildings, infrastructure and human life. Earthquakes occur as a result of the movements of the Earth's plates on the surface of the Earth, and these movements occur due to the driving forces resulting from the heat of the Earth's core, which affects the Earth's plates. Earthquakes also occur as a result of human activities such as mining, drilling and nuclear weapons testing. The Earth's crust is made up of several plates, and these plates are constantly moving in the lower layers of the Earth. When a shock occurs between two plates, energy is released in the form of earthquakes, and this is called an earthquake. The greater the shock force, the more severe and dangerous the earthquake. The impact of earthquakes on the ground and people. Earthquakes greatly affect the earth and people, and their effects range from mild tremors that do not cause damage to strong tremors that can cause the destruction of homes and buildings and the loss of lives. Among the main effects of earthquakes are destruction of facilities and buildings. Damages resulting from earthquakes are among the most likely effects, as strong tremors can cause the destruction of facilities, buildings, bridges, tunnels, and roads. Loss of life. Strong earthquakes can cause the loss of many lives, as it is difficult for people to avoid the severe damages that result from earthquakes. Change in the environment. Earthquakes can cause changes in the natural environment, especially in mountainous areas known as rockfalls and landslides. Weather disasters. Earthquakes can cause weather disasters such as hurricanes, tsunamis, and landslides. Economic damage. Earthquakes also cause significant economic damage, as they can lead to the cessation of economic operations in the affected areas. Emotional impact. Earthquakes can have a huge emotional impact on people, as they can lead to fear, anxiety and depression. It should be noted that there are many preventive measures that can be taken to reduce the negative effects of earthquakes.